Welcome to the channel. If you are someone who's looking to boost productivity, learn coding, master laptop shortcuts, or get a deeper understanding of computer basics, you are in the right place. I am CODER and my mission is to help you work smarter, not harder. Whether you are struggling to stay organized, want to dive into coding, or just want to be more efficient with your laptop, I have got you covered. In this channel, you will learn practical coding tips for beginners, how to navigate your computer like a pro, and simple productivity hacks to stop procrastinating. Plus, I will be sharing my best strategies for waking up early and staying focused throughout the day. Let me know in the comments, what the one thing you struggle with most when it comes to being productive or learning something new. I want to hear your thoughts. Coming up, I will be teaching you how to master coding basics in just 10 minutes a day, sharing shortcuts that save you hours and much more. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the community. If you want to stay productive, this is the place to be. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.